Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website or web page in order to improve its visibility in search engine results. SEO is an important part of any digital marketing strategy, as it helps to ensure that your website is visible to potential customers who are looking for the products or services you offer. By optimizing your website for search engine results, you can increase the number of visitors to your site and potentially increase your sales. The goal of SEO is to increase the visibility of a website or web page in search engine results. This is done by optimizing the content of the website or web page, as well as by using techniques such as link building and keyword research. By optimizing the content of the website, you can ensure that the content is relevant to the search terms that people are using when searching for your products or services. Additionally, by using link building techniques, you can create backlinks to your website, which can help to increase the visibility of your website in search engine results. Lastly, keyword research can help to identify the best keywords to use in your content and meta tags in order to ensure that your website is visible for relevant search terms. SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, and it can be difficult to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. However, with the right tools and knowledge, it is possible to optimize your website for search engine results. By understanding the basics of SEO, you can ensure that your website is visible to potential customers who are looking for the products or services you offer. Additionally, by using the right techniques, you can increase the visibility of your website in search engine results and potentially increase your sales.